Hi, I'm Corey with the Conga technical support team specializing in Conga contracts off platform. I'll be giving you a quick overview of the Conga contract system settings page and a few of the things you might find in this part of the application. From the admin gear, go down and find the system settings and click on it. Once that loads, you'll see that you are able to change a few things on this page. For starters, you can upload a new image, which will appear in the upper left, perfect for your company logo. You're also able to change your base system URL, which is typically used for SSO applications. In the numbering section down below, you are given a full guide on the changes that you are able to make to the contract, company, and request numbering systems. If these checkboxes are checked, then contract and company numbers are not allowed to be changed. If there is a change needed to be made in the future, you can simply uncheck this box, save the settings, and make the change and undo the checkboxes. The next section is the OCR section. If you wish to enable OCR, you can use this checkbox to enable it, and this second checkbox here to create a new revision of the document when the OCR is completed. If you just wish to have it overwrite the previously uploaded document, you can leave this unchecked. In this section here, the security section, this has to deal with logins and passwords. These are fairly self-explanatory, but if these numbers are set to 0, they will not expire. Down below is the system defaults. Again, the system default zeros will not send an email, but these are also things that are able to be set for all users. One section of note is the forgot password email address. If a user is unable to log in and clicks the forgot password button on the login page, it will not reset that user's password. It will only send an email to the user listed here, who will need to navigate to the user's profile to reset their password. If you have enable profile edit locks enabled, only one user will be allowed to edit a profile at a time. In this left toolbar, you will be able to see the global messaging. This will allow you to create a message that will be displayed on the dashboard. You can select the specific roles that you wish to show this to. You can have a start and end date, the priority of the message subject will be in larger text, and the message body will be in a smaller text. The general settings is the screen that we were on previously. The API section is for creating API webhooks that your environment can utilize. The dashboard section will allow you to create the standard dashboard that is out of the box for any new users and will be the dashboard that shows whenever screen state is cleared. The email section has a collapsible section within itself that allows you to change the fields that are showing when one of these system generated emails is sent. In the general email section, you're able to upload an email logo, which would go on all emails leaving the system. The use strict inbound email checking checkbox will prevent users who are not sent that message directly from actioning that item. So if it's a flow step that person A forwards to person B cannot proceed with that flow step. It will need to come from person A. The prevent email from being sent to remove recipients will not re-add a person who has been removed from an email chain that includes the Conga contracts messaging. The blank email template for messaging will automatically set a template whenever an email is created. Next up is the export and import settings. You're able to export an additional form that has been created in your environment and import it into another environment. This is particularly useful when you have done some testing and created a new form in your sandbox and don't want to quite create it fully within production. You can simply go to the system settings, export the file, and import it here, and it will be uploaded in the same fashion that it would be in your sandbox. The last section here is the integrations, which we will be going over in another video. As always, if you run into issues with this process or have any questions, please feel free to use the Conga customer community to check user groups and ask questions that have been answered directly by another user of Conga Contracts, or open a support case if you are able to.